What is up, YouTube? What is up? Hey, it's your girl Edrianna Terraé.
Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say.
What is up, YouTube? It is your girl Edrianna Terraé. Edrianna, Edri, whatever you want to call me, and I'm back with another video for you guys today. So today's video is going to be a very exciting video for me and something new for me and for you guys that you're seeing from me. So today is going to be a real first time raw unboxing video. As you can see, everything is still in the initial packaging. Okay, I hadn't seen the box, none of that. So today's video is going to be a wig unboxing slash review. So if you guys watched my last video about Sunbird Hair, that is a hair company that I will be working with long term. But before I was contacted by them, I was contacted by a wig company. This is a one-time thing. I honestly wish that it was a long-term thing, because if I could wear wigs that come pre-bleached and pre-plucked, I would love life. Like, it's so much easier. But yeah, so this is a wig company called Hairvivi.com. All the information will be linked down below in the description box and in the comments. You guys should check them out. I highly recommend them. But they're basically a wig company, and they come pre-plucked and pre-bleached, and you guys don't have to do anything but put it on your head, cut the lace, whatever, and get it popping. So today I'm just gonna do the unboxing video, which is me showing you the box, the hair, what comes with it. But I will be doing a separate video where I style it, because I will be dyeing the hair, and then I'm getting help putting on, because I've never ever had a wig before, which is why I'm so excited. All right, we're gonna get right into it. Ever, I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, so this is the box right here. It's so cute. It has a little ribbon. It says Hairvivi. So this is the box. I am so excited, y'all. Like, I've never had a wig before. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. I don't know, I'm so excited for this. Okay, so this is the paper. Okay. So I'm guessing this is the wig right here, and we're gonna get into that after I see what's in the box. So the first thing that's in this box is a card. Okay, so it comes with a Toni and Guy rat tail comb with metal ends. Okay. It comes with two Toni and Guy clips. Lastly, it comes with a wig cap. So yeah, this is a deluxe wig cap. And I think it comes with two. I'm not sure. It says 2 pieces, but I don't know. But yeah, hair. This looks like it's long. So I believe the wig that I got is in the style Victoria. I'm not sure. I will let you guys know in the description box the style of this wig. Y'all don't know, I'm so excited. Okay, so this hair is pretty long, y'all. Okay, I don't even know. Okay, okay, so this is how the hair looks. It is super soft and thick. Oh my gosh, y'all, like, do I really want to dye this? Y'all, this hair is super soft. First of all, like, look how silky it is. Can y'all tell how silky this is? Do y'all see this? This is so silky. But this is the inside. It smells so good. This smells so good. The hair smells good. So yeah, y'all see that? Okay, so y'all see that? This is pre-bleached and pre-plucked already, but I just want y'all to just look at the hair before we put it on to see. Just look at the hair. Ooh. Look at it. This hair is so silky and thick. The hair is so thick too, like, yes, I'm so excited for this. Okay, they have the baby hairs laid too. Y'all see the baby hairs laid? I am so excited for this, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna try to like, I'm gonna put the wig cap on. Y'all can see. Oh, there we go. Get into this. It really just looks so natural. Like, this hair is so soft. Like, I'm never gonna get over this. Like, I am just so grateful that they reached out to me, y'all. Like, first of all, I've never had a wig in my life, and wigs are so like convenient. Like, lace frontal wigs are so convenient. Like, seriously, but this hair is just so silky. I love it. Thank you, Hairvivi.com. But yes, they're really, really sweet people as well. Like, they're super kind. I'm just really excited the fact that it's pre-plucked and bleached already. Like, honestly, if I could have a long-term business with this wig company, I would honestly be just so grateful. Like, this is like, just imagine getting pre-plucked and bleached wigs every month. Like, and it's not even like, you know, some companies say that their hair is pre-plucked and it's not. Theirs is not even like that. Like, you can really see, like, this is my honest review. Like, y'all saw me open the package, take it out. I'm so satisfied, y'all. Like, this is like, I am so satisfied, and I really cannot get over how soft and silky straight this hair is. Like, like what? This is Hairvivi.com. All the information, links and stuff will be in the description box. I will make sure to include what style this is in, because their wigs have different names like Zendaya and Sierra and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure this one was in Victoria. I'm not sure, but I will leave that in the description box. But y'all should really check them out, especially if you guys are like me, where you kind of don't really like sew-ins, or you take your sew-ins out too quick. If you guys are new to lace fronts and stuff, or wigs, and you guys really don't know really how to pluck, or too lazy to pluck like me, and having to do the bleaching and knots and stuff like that, I really do recommend this company. Like, some companies really say that their stuff is pre-plucked and bleached, and it really isn't. So thank you guys for watching this unboxing. Whew, y'all, I really just can't wait. Like, I'm already know I'm about to curl this up. Like, y'all, man, just stay tuned for the next video when I'm getting it customized and all that good stuff with the color and all of that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Hairvivi.com, for reaching out to me. Maybe we could work again. You feel me? Like, I really do. I'm really in love with this. Like, this is a great company. Don't forget to follow them on their social medias. Like I said, all the information will be in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, click that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Girl Scout.